Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the on-screen keyboard on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear icon. Then you want to scroll down and select the system tile. And then you want to select keyboard. And now that we're underneath keyboard, you want to select the on-screen keyboard tile at the top. And you want to set the keyboard enable to toggle it on to the right. And you also may want to go back and then underneath physical keyboard and have use on-screen keyboard toggle to the right as well. Keep it on the screen when the physical keyboard is active. And you can select the physical keyboard up here as well if you have different ones connected to your smartphone. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.